I am currently in a pink auto, which is by her, for her. Bengaluru-based startup Sakhi has brought several such autos on its platform. The idea is to provide female passengers with the option of woman-driven autos to make them feel more comfortable. Bengaluru currently has around 2,000 female auto drivers. For many women passengers, they bring a sense of safety and relief, especially during odd hours.
I think somewhere women have to stay alert and have to bear through a little bit of anxiety whenever they are traveling. And they have to keep checking the location, or they have to send their location to somebody to make sure that if something happens, they have a backup. And I think, it was long overdue that we get rid of that anxiety. And that's the main reason that I started this.
The Sakhi fleet currently has 50 female drivers. The drivers have been trained in soft skills and customer service. Passengers will be charged Rs 50 for the first 2 kilometers and Rs 20 for every kilometer after that. The autos can be booked at sakhiwomen.in.
2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಆಟೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಆಟೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು 2 ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸಖಿ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರು ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ.
ಲೇಟ್ ನೈಟು ತುಂಬ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಭಯ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಖಿ ಆ್ಯಪಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೇಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಆಟ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬಾಯಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಭಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೇಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
So I usually take the office cab to travel to and from the office, but last week I was a little held up in office, so I had to take an auto back. And this is one of those several incidents which has happened where the driver deliberately takes the longer routes just to increase the fare, and I just have to call somebody and speak loudly and make the driver realize that there is someone who is waiting for me and that he cannot mess it up. So I'm really excited about the launch of Sakhi. This is a very basic idea, but it addresses such a genuine cause, which is not a comfort but a basic necessity for the women in Bangalore.
And also the best part about this is many women will get opportunity to be employed and learn a new driving skill, and also it gives them the financial independence.
So ladies, would you love to see more women auto drivers in the city? And if you have hailed an auto driven by a female driver, let us know in the comments.